Want to know if your PC can run Windows 11? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to check Windows 11 compatibility in just a few minutes using Microsoft's official PC Health Check app. You'll learn how to see if your computer meets the Windows 11 system requirements, including TPM 2.0, secure boot, processor support, RAM, and storage. I'll also explain what to do if your PC says it can't run Windows 11, and how to understand the most common compatibility errors before upgrading. Number 1. Understand the check. Checking Windows 11 compatibility means making sure your computer meets Microsoft's minimum hardware requirements before you try to upgrade. This matters because Windows 11 is stricter than older versions of Windows. A computer may run Windows 10 perfectly, but still fail the Windows 11 check because of security features, processor support, memory, storage, or firmware settings. The fastest way to check is not to guess from the age of your computer. Use Microsoft's PC Health Check app, then confirm the main requirements manually if the result looks confusing. Number 2. Know the basic requirements. For Windows 11, your PC needs a compatible 64-bit processor with at least 1 GHz speed and 2 or more cores. It also needs at least 4 GB of memory, at least 64 GB of storage, UEFI firmware with secure boot capability, TPM 2.0, DirectX 12 compatible graphics with a WDDM 2.0 driver, and a display larger than 9 inches with at least 720p resolution. For Windows 11 Home, you also need an internet connection and a Microsoft account during setup. Do not only check one item, like memory or storage. Many people make that mistake. The processor, TPM 2.0, and secure boot are usually the reasons a PC fails. Number 3. Use PC Health Check. Open Microsoft's official Windows 11 page and download the PC Health Check app from there. Avoid random download websites because they may give you old versions, fake installers, or unnecessary extra software. After the download finishes, open the installer, accept the license terms, and install the app. When it opens, look for the Windows 11 section and press Check Now. In a few seconds, the app should tell you whether your PC can run Windows 11. If it says your PC is compatible, that means the main hardware check passed. You can then check Windows Update to see whether the upgrade is available for your device. If the app says your PC cannot run Windows 11, do not panic yet. Click the option that shows more details because the exact reason is more important than the final message. Number 4. Read the result correctly. If the problem is memory, your PC has less than 4 GB of RAM. Some laptops and desktops can be upgraded, but some thin laptops have memory soldered onto the motherboard. If the problem is storage, free up space or consider a larger drive. But remember that the requirement is about available storage hardware, not just deleting a few temporary files. If the problem is the processor, that is usually not something you can fix with a setting. Microsoft requires supported processors, so an older CPU may block the upgrade, even if the computer feels fast. If the problem is TPM 2.0 or secure boot, the PC may actually support it, but the feature may be turned off in the firmware settings. This is common on custom-built PCs and some older business laptops. Number 5. Check TPM and secure boot. To check TPM quickly, press the Windows key, type TPM, MSC, and open it. Look for the TPM version. For Windows 11, it should show version 2.0. If it says there is no compatible TPM, the feature may be disabled, or the hardware may not support it. To check secure boot, press the Windows key, type system information, and open it. Look for secure boot state. If it says on, that part is fine. If it says off, it may need to be enabled in BIOS or UEFI settings. Be careful here. Before changing firmware settings, save your work, back up important files, and check your PC manufacturer's instructions. Changing the wrong boot settings can stop Windows from starting normally. On some computers, TPM may be called Intel Platform, Trust Technology, AMD FTPM, Security Device, or Trusted Computing. Number 6. Fix common issues. If PC Health Check and Windows Update show different results, run PC Health Check again after installing the latest Windows updates. If you recently changed hardware, Windows Update may need time to refresh the eligibility result. If TPM or Secure Boot was disabled and you turned it on, restart the computer and run the compatibility check again. If the CPU is unsupported, the practical choices are to keep using your current supported Windows version, upgrade the hardware, or buy a Windows 11 compatible PC. Avoid forcing Windows 11 onto unsupported hardware unless you fully understand the risk, because updates, drivers, and reliability may not work as expected. Before upgrading, also check your important apps, drivers, printer software, and backup status. Passing the compatibility check means your PC meets the minimum requirements, but it does not guarantee every old program or device will work perfectly after the upgrade.